join the 28-hour SQL Server Masterclass on the Udemy platform for only $15 instead of $89. Learn how to become a future developer or either a future DBA or performance expert on SQL Server with 150 exercises. The link to the promotion is in the video description. Okay? Want to get started on SQL Server? Then join me.
This is the demo for backup with copy only. When you make a backup on demand, for example, by a developer to reproduce a production bug, you must especially set the option with copy only. Otherwise, you can break the backup chain. Okay? Imagine the following scenario. There are several backup logs and they are differential throughout the day, and a backup request is made at 1 p.m. Okay? This backup has this database which break the entire backup chain. Okay? And we can cause a big problem. If you must redo a complete restoration, if you have a bug in the production bug, during the day, it's not possible. You have break the chain. Okay? It's very important when you make a backup during the day to set up the copy only when you make a backup. Okay? Okay, let's go for a demonstration. Okay, so let's go for the copy only option. I'm going a little faster because this demo is quite long. Okay? First demo, backup without copy only option. Okay, let's go. Delete the database. It's done. Create database backup demo. And let's empty the backup history for our demonstration. Use backup demo and create just some table, just one table, and insert one row. First backup full. Okay, it's done. Insert second and third row. It's done. First differential backup. It's good. Insert value 4 and 5. Okay, it's good. So, request from a developer to have a backup of the production to reproduce a bug. So let's make a full backup in production. I call the name a quick full backup for dev. It's done, and make another differential backup for our demonstration. Okay? In summary, we have 2 full backup and 2 differential backup. Okay? And 1 backup on demand from the developer. Let's simulate a crash. The database has been deleted, and let's begin the restore. Restore from the first backup full. It's done. And now take the second differential backup. We are not taking the first for the gain of time, but we have to take the second differential backup. Okay, as you see, the differential backup. Make a zoom. Let's make a zoom. The differential backup cannot be restored because the database has not been restored to the correct earlier state. Okay, so in summary, the backup chain has been broken. Okay, it's it's very important to set up the backup with copy only option. More details in this query. I will explain you in more details why the chain has been broken. Okay, let's execute this select. Okay, let's make a zoom. So, backups have reference by GUID. Okay, in the backup set, in the column backup set UID, we have a GUID. Okay, for the first differential is the same GUID. So, in the second differential backup is not the same GUID. Okay, is the reason why the backup chain has been broken. If you don't have the same GUID, the backup chain has been broken. Okay, so go for the second demonstration, but with the copy only option. Let's go. Use master, drop and create the database. Oops. Let's go create database. Let's empty the backup history, create table and insert data. Okay, backup. Make the first full backup, insert row 3, 2 and 3, first differential backup and insert in data. Request from the developer, we have to make a full backup in production, but I set up the copy only option. Okay, with init and copy only. Let's go for the backup, another differential backup. Let's simulate a crash, and we have two backup full and two differential. Restore from the first full backup, and now we take the second differential backup. I think you understand. It's working perfect. Okay, I just put the copy only option, and I have no problem for make a restoration from the production, the backup in production. Okay, let's modify in this query. It's the same query as before, and let's make a zoom. GUID or GUID in English as the same for the first differential and the second differential backup. Okay, the backup can be restored from the second differential. I think you understand. Is very important to set up this option. Remember that we can go back. If you forgot the copy only option, we can have a serious consequence in the event of a problem in production. Okay, let's go for the next demo.